Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali. In this video tutorial, we will be learning one more time intelligence DAX that is known as parallel period. So let's get started how to use this. So we'll click on new measure. In the previous video, we have learned how to use date add. So now we will be seeing how to use parallel period. The syntax will remain the same. So let's get started. Let's give a name first. Parallel period, or any other name you would like to give as per your understanding. So we'll start with an calculate. Expression will be total orders that will return an amount, and in the filter argument we will be using parallel period DAX. So the first argument is dates column. We know that we have dates table, date column. Then number of interval, let's say we need to move 1 year back, so we'll put -1 for the time period, and then we have month, quarter and year, right? So we'll say we need to move year wise. And let's compare date add versus parallel period. So let's drag this parallel period to the canvas, and let's also format this, comma formatting, and we don't need any decimals, so let's put it 0. So now you can see that both has the similar outcomes. Either you use date add with the calculate or parallel period as well. Okay, and let's see if I add one more field here. This is because we have used year wise. If we add in the matrix visual months, so let's see if it works contextually, filter context or not. So if I add month names, so now for the 2009 it will not give us any balance, but in 2010 you can see. So if you see, if I added the month names here, so what date add is doing is picking up all those month wise balances from the previous year month wise balances and giving me for the next year, that's the previous month wise balances, whereas the parallel period is showing the total year balance for each of the month here as well. So that's the significant difference. So if you can see, 503479 is the January, 330449 is for the February. So date add can be further drilled down to month wise and carrying forward all those balances from the previous year to the next year, whereas parallel period is giving a total number based on the previous year in the next year. Okay, that's the difference.